Hmm. So, hey, nice to meet you. Hope you all are doing great. So, in this video, I'll be explaining how I draw character illustrations. Of course, in Krita, also because I was feeling quite down from a few days. So, anyways, let's get started. So, step one, open reference as always. Today, I'm using this image for pose and background, but I'll be drawing Miku instead of that boy in this image because only she can make me feel better. Step 2, the rough sketch. For the rough sketch, see everything as basic shapes or see everything as lines like this. Step 3, draw the background and then lens blur it. It will make the focus on the character more. Step 4, fill the base color within the line art and then make a quick clipping group on it so that color won't go out and mix up with background, because the background is not like a one solid color, so it will look messy. Just that's why. Step 5. So about step 5, it is the most important part of drawing illustration, and this is coloring. For a person like me who don't know a damn thing about color theory, how the hell should I color? For that, I have made an easy way. For first, fill in the base color like light red for the skin and blue for hair and yada yada yada. Then create a new layer on it and click that alpha sign. By the way, that's for clipping in Krita. Choose a dark color and color everything on the character, not the background. And then set it to multiply, and boom, shadows are here. Then create a layer and set it to overlayer. Now with airbrush, color the face with light orange or red, I mean the base skin color. Choose the base skin color and then airbrush on face. It will make the face look glowy and gives a glowy effect. And for hair, choose a light hair color. Like for this hair, I'll be using light blue. If you are drawing with black, then use something gray, light gray color or white maybe. And now erase the light part on the multiply layer. I mean the part where it is light and like the hair and the ponytails and the shirt and back. That's it. Step 6. Everything is set up, the pose, the background, the coloring. So it's time for rendering. For rendering, just copy the reference image. That's it. and in last add some finishing touches like create an egg layer and airbrush at light areas, then blur the whole layer. So that's all the process, and hope you like the video, and don't forget to draw. What do you think I'll say? Subscribe? Well, I know you won't be subscribing if I say so. So keep drawing. Bye bye.